Oh, I just got back from work. So, I'm not sure if I lost a video of finishing up this dash for the 96 cart. I got it in. I believe I'm gonna put a light in here because this side it's like from here to here, so you need a light in there. And it came with the screws and installed pretty good. Right here it kind of slumps down, so you might have to put your thumb in there like that and pull up on it while you pre-drill these holes. I don't know if you're going to get it on there perfect or not, but nobody's going to notice. It's not that big a deal. It's just a golf cart. After a couple beers, nobody will pay attention. All right, so I didn't put my keyhole or key back here in a keyhole. I decided I'm going to put some extra light switches here. I did have to cut out this a little bit bigger for that, and this I had to ream it out a little bit. It came with that hole. There was no hole for this, so I had to ream it out, this one out a little bit to make it fit. And I put my key in here, so pretty much when you pull the key out, you lock that. I mean, this is not going to keep anybody out, but if the kids who are, stealing golf carts walk up and go, hey man, I got a key, let's take that one. Well, you're gonna go, where's the key if there's a switch button here? Because, like on that cart, the key is right down here. So this will just confuse them. All right, excellent, excellent. So, not sure what's next on that. Maybe some LED lights or something. Here's the newest project. I'll give y'all a quick peek at that, and then I gotta go answer some phones. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all soon. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you.